Hey guys, Corey here at Blackwood Woodworks. Today we've got part 1 of the miter station build. It all begins with the base cabinets, so let's get started.
Start off this build with 3/4 inch sanded plywood from the home center. I had it cut down to 8 foot by 2 foot sections. As far as the construction of the cabinet, it's pretty easy. It's made up of 4 basic parts. The parts are the solid plywood bottom in green, the 2 side pieces in blue, and the 4-inch braces in orange, as well as the backer board, which is not pictured here. So with the plan in place, I went ahead and broke down my material. First, I cut out my 2 side pieces at 36 inches. With the side panel cuts complete, I moved on to the bottom. I cut 1.5 inches off of one of my 8-foot sections to give the total case a length of 8 feet. Bottom and sides complete, I moved over to my table saw to make my 4-inch cuts for the internal bracing. With all my lumber cut to size, I decided to use pocket holes and glue to join everything together. I chose pocket holes because it would speed up the process in building the cabinet, as well as provide a strong joint for the cabinet. I had to add a few additional pocket holes to my bottom brace because it was going to tie in both the sides and the bottom of the case. With all those steps complete, I went ahead and laid out all the pieces on the floor for assembly and went to putting it all together. There's nothing tricky about the next step, just plenty of glue and the screws. Started the assembly by adding my 2 sides to the bottom, my 1 bottom and 2 top braces. With that all complete, I flipped the cabinet on its face and added my 1/8 inch plywood backer board with glue and a few brad nails to hold it in place. I completed the same process 3 more times with the middle cabinet 4.5 inches shorter to accommodate the miter saw deck to make the entire table flush when the miter saw is in place.
Well guys, that's the first half of this miter station build. Next week we're going to be covering drawers, the face frame. So when part 2 comes available, I'll leave a link to it right here. We'll see you guys Tuesday when we finish up this project.